Hey, what's up guys? 2024 Chevy Trax. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. Going to be using this lever back here. No buttons on the steering wheel or the dash need to be used. It's all done on this lever right here. You're going to have a select button. You're going to have an up and down switch right here. And then on the end of it is an enter button. Right on the end. See, this is enter right here. Okay, I'm going to zoom into the dash to make it easier for a visual. And then you just use the knob like I say to. Okay, hit the select button so the top rectangle will go to vehicle. Now here it is the first thing. You're going to push the button on the very end of the lever. Push and hold it. Then it'll bring you to here. It'll say, are you sure you want to reset? Use the up down little switch to go up to yes. And then push enter on the end. And that's it. You'll see it change to 100%. And that's how you do it on a 2024 Chevy Trax. If this helped you out, shoot me a sub. I'm trying to reach 100K. Thanks for watching.